Alright, so I'm going to test this lock puller that we got on Temu for like $30, $25. It's similar to Multipix, the Bell, but slightly different, a little bit easier to fit in your hand. I don't think the quality is quite as good. Talk about Multipix. One thing that you can't skimp on are the screws. I've tried to do this with all different kinds of screws besides these ones, and 4 to 5 times something goes wrong. Screw breaks as you're screwing it in, or snaps when you're trying to pull it. It's just a shit show. So I just went ahead and ordered these screws. I usually use the green ones. I haven't really had to use the other ones, which are larger. If you ever come across a keyway where it's just big, then you can use one of those sizes. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Here, just gotta screw the screw into the lock. Until all the threads are buried. Boom. That's good. Alright. Now, take the tape off that. Here. Line that up. You can use a wrench, pliers, crescent wrench, whatever. I'm going to use a socket. Here. And then just tighten it by hand. Let me hold that for you?
It's better on the outside of this, no? What the frick? What?
Just keep twisting it. Yeah, keep twisting. Now pull that little shimmy. No, find where it was. See, now pull it in. Yep. Now this is lined up. That way it puts pressure on the plate, not the. No, you're fine. You got it. Puts the pressure on the plate instead of the lock face.
I think this is it.
Alright, cool. Here. No, I usually just hold this and do it, but change it. There you go. There's no opening, you can't see. What are you doing?
This was not, what? Oh, that's not right. I can see the top of it. It's not right. Hold on.
Loosen it up. There. Now it's lined up perfectly. Yep.
Yeah.
Move the thing up more so it's above the cylinder, above the hole. Yep, right there. Now hold the cylinder. Yeah. Now hold the cylinder puller. There you go. Try not to put too much pressure on pulling it down. Try to make sure it stays straight, otherwise you're going to break the handle or break the screw. You can't turn this, Hannah.
What? I know that. I don't know. I'm just doing like.
What you doing? It's not against the wall, dude. On this side.
I'm just fucking. That I felt it coming out.
There you go.
No.
I don't know. Keep going.
How far do you?
It's pulling back. I can see it. I can feel the thing right here. Look, there it is. Boom. Yep.
Yeah, I got it.
Sick with it. I've never even done that. I'm
Nice.
a little jealous right
Now there's like a little thing inside there that you got to
I'm actually extremely jealous. That's awesome.
got to twist.
Wait, time out real quick. Stop it.
Oh, there's open that
So
thing up.
what's happening
Open that
is she
thing up.
has to tighten that all the way and then unscrew it all the way for it to come out.
No.
So what was just happening right now?
Basically, okay, so what?
This screw right here, this thing right here, this has to go all the way back and then forward, or what's
No.
going on?
You want to have it all the way up here so that the part can grab onto the screw.
Right.
And then as you're wrenching this, it's drawing it back. Yeah.